Hello and welcome to Swansway Honda Stockport. Today I'm going to be taking you around this Toyota Auris. This Toyota Auris is finished in blue and is powered by a 1.8 petrol hybrid engine with an automatic transmission. Into the boot and you'll find plenty of space to provide for your daily needs. Of course, this space can be extended with the rear seats down. It sits beautifully on 18-inch multi-spoke designed alloy wheels, as well as LED daytime running headlights, providing great visibility no matter what the weather condition. Into the back, and the passengers are provided with full leather seats, headrests, as well as isofix for convenience. Into the front, and the driver is presented with leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, as well as full leather seats for comfort. The multi-function steering wheel provides access to voice command, hands-free, Bluetooth, as well as cruise control and lane assist. The partially digital instrument display provides access to vital driving data, which can be controlled using the multi-function steering wheel. In the centre, a coloured touchscreen display gives access to inbuilt satellite navigation, helping you get around with those unfamiliar places. Radio and Bluetooth is also provided, ensuring you stay connected at all times. A rear camera making parking a breeze in those tight spaces. Just below is the controls to the dual climate control, where the driver and the passenger can adjust the temperature to their liking. Heated seats are also provided for the colder months, ensuring you stay at the right temperature. Into the centre console, the gear selector, a manual handbrake, 2 cup holders and a leather armrest is also provided. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. For further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team.